All practice pages and other materials for learning cursive are available at my Teachers Pay Teachers store at www.teacherspayteachers.com/store/Ann-Floss-Knight. Learning Cursive, Lesson 27, Lowercase z. Lowercase c in printing and lowercase c in cursive do not look very much like each other. Lowercase z in cursive has even turned into a two-space letter with a loop that goes down to the descender line. Lowercase c is our last lowercase cursive letter. It is an overcurve letter. You make an overcurve and then a mini overcurve, then a slant line down to the descender line, and come back up with a G-tail. So we have an overcurve and a little mini overcurve. It's important not to make this second overcurve very tall. It is not up to even a half of a space. It's just a little mini overcurve. It is important though that it shows so that it doesn't look a little bit like a J. It needs to look just like itself. It needs to be a Z. As you prepare to work on the final lowercase cursive letters practice page, make sure you have a neat desktop, your paper correctly slanted, you're sitting up straight, and you've printed or written your name neatly on the lines above the Z. We have our model of our lowercase c with its overcurve and mini overcurve, and we have the training wheel letters to train our hands to make it correctly. This is a good time to pay attention to the size of the mini overcurve because we want it to show, but we don't want it to be too big. So overcurve, mini overcurve, slant down to the descender line, come back around, cross at the baseline. Our letters need to touch the midline and the baseline, and then the descender line, and the baseline again. When you have practiced on your training wheel letters and you have it in your hand how you're going to make it and in your mind how you're going to make it, you're ready to try it on your own. And so we have an overcurve, a mini overcurve, slant to the bottom, curve slightly to the left, cross on the baseline. Practice your Z's, and then we'll be ready to connect Z's.